What makes a good portrait? Mastery of fundamentals, classical techniques, and a human touch. Hey everyone, my name is Alex Chow, an illustrator and concept artist. Learn to create emotional depth and atmosphere in a portrait by controlling light, color, and expression on a digital canvas. We'll remove any technical hurdles in Photoshop by mastering tools like blending and layering to express ethereal lighting and delicate softness. We'll define and refine your personal style using both classical and modern artistic insight and technical skills in today's age of image generation. I hope to motivate artists to preserve time-tested techniques and create art that only we as humans can. I'm Alex Chow, illustrator and concept artist, and I'll be waiting for you at Coloso.